In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Asana Inbox. To get started, open your browser and log into your Asana account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel there, and one of the options is called Inbox. Go ahead and click on Inbox. This is the central place where Asana collects all the notifications that are relevant to you, such as messages, task updates, comments, and more. Think of it as your personal activity stream. Inside the inbox, you'll see a list of different notifications. To focus on one, simply click a notification. For example, if you click on a message notification, a detailed panel will open on the right side of the screen. This panel shows you the full message, who sent it, and any previous replies, so you have all the context in one place. From here, you can start collaborating right away. At the bottom of the message panel, there's a field where you can type your reply. Use this to respond directly, ask follow-up questions, or share quick updates. If you want to attach something like a document or screenshot, click inside the message field and look for the row of icons that appears just below it. One of these icons is the attach file icon. Click that, choose the file you want from your computer or connected storage, and it will be added to your message so everyone in that conversation can access it. If the message involves multiple people, you can make sure the right person sees your reply by using mentions. Click the @ icon, then start typing the name of the person you want to mention. Select them from the list that appears, and they'll be tagged in your message. This is especially useful to direct a question or action to a specific teammate. You can also expand the conversation by clicking the plus icon at the bottom of the message field. This lets you add additional people to the message thread or inbox conversation so they're kept in the loop. Now, if the notification you clicked is about a task instead of a message, the process is very similar. Click the task notification and a panel will open on the right with the task details. Here, you can scroll down to the comments section and add a comment so that everyone in that project or workspace can see your update. Just like with messages, you can attach files directly within your comment, and you can mention teammates to make sure they're notified. You'll also see a dedicated attachment section for the task itself. Click the plus icon there to add files that should live with the task. These attachments are visible to everyone who has access to that task, keeping all relevant information together. And that's it. That's how you collaborate using your Asana inbox to reply, share files, mention teammates, and keep your work moving forward.